तो आज वीडियो नंबर 3 में हम आपको बताएंगे कि स्टैटिक्स की कितनी टाइप हैं। तो आपने वीडियो को पूरा देखना है, वीडियो बहुत अच्छी होने वाली है। ठीक है। द स्टडी ऑफ स्टैटिक्स इज यूजुअली डिवाइडेड इनटू टू कैटेगरी, डिस्क्रिप्टिव स्टैटिक्स एंड द इन्फरेंशियल स्टैटिक्स। डिस्क्रिप्टिव स्टैटिक्स, द डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्टैटिक्स गिवन आर earlier referred are organizing, presenting, analyzing data. These facts or stratified is usually referred as a descriptive statics. Descriptive statics method of organizing, summarizing and presenting data in information way. For instance, the United States government report the population of the United States was 179,323,000 in 6090, 203 302,000 in 1970, and the 226,542,000 in 1988, 248,709,000 in 1990. In descriptive statics, if we calculate the present age growth from one decade to the next. However, it would not be descriptive statistics if we used these to estimate the population of the United States in the year 2020 of the percentage growth from 2010 to 2020. Why? The reason in these statistics are not being used to summarizing past population but we estimate future population. The following are some other example descriptive statistics. Okay. So there are the total of 46 miles of interstate highway in the United States. This interstate system represents only 1% of the nation total route but carries more than 20% of the traffic. The longer in 90, which sketch from Boston of Seattle are distant of 3000 miles, as the shortest in 878 are New York City, which is a 0.7 of mile of length. Alaska does not have any interstate highway. Texas has the most interstate mile, 3200, and New York has a most interstate road with 28. The average person spent $103 on the traditional Valentine Day Merchandise in 2010. This is an increase of $0.50 from 2009, as the previous year men will be spent nearly twice of the women spent in the year. Inferential statics. The second type of statics, inferential statics, is also called statistical inference. Our main concern regarding inferential statics finding something about a population from a sample taken from the population. For example, a recent survey showed only 46% of high school seniors can solve problem involving fraction, decimal and percentage, and the only 77% of school senior correctly totaled the cost of salad, burger, fries and Coca-Cola on restaurant menu. Since these are inference about a population all high school senior based on the sample data, we refer to them as a inferential statistics. You might think of inferential statistics as the best guess of population value based on a sample information. Inferential statistics, the method used to estimate a property of population on basis of a sample. Note the word population and sample in the definition of inferential statistics. We often make reference to the population of 308 million people living in the United States in 73 towns of population. Population may consist of individuals such as the student enrolled at the Utah State University, all the students according to one are of the CEO from the Fortune 50 companies. A population may also consist of objects such as the all the Cobra tires produced as copper tire and the rubber companies, the Findlay Ohio plant. The account are receiving at the end of the October for L'Orange Plastic